Hi everyone, my name is Parth, and first of all, I am very much grateful for all the love and support you guys give me. You are all amazing people, and if you are new to this channel, then please consider subscribing. So, welcome to this next chapter rather than chapters because I am trying to do something different this time. Rather than going to the read and read method because it was like one way communication, but now it is like interpersonal communication. We all are talking together, so I think this will be better. So how this works is like, first I am going to read a quote related to the chapter I am going to cover, then I will tell you why is it written here in this chapter or the part, then I'll share some real time experiences and how I use that in my life, so it would be more realistic and it would help you also to link in a better way. So let's get started. What is true education? Swami Vivekananda said, true education is the one by which character is formed, by which strength of the mind is increased, by which intellect is expanded, by which one can stand on its own feet. So that's the kind of education we really want these days. But what happens is, most of the youths like us, we are becoming the storehouses of multiple complexes. For example, sex complex, fear complex, ego complex, inferiority complex. Talking about the sex complex, we will be making a separate video for that. We will be talking about a lot more stuff in that, nofap and everything. Then coming to fear complex, oh my god, we all fear. We have got some kind of another fear. I will like to share my fear, which is a kind of weird one, but yes, I feared from giving 100% of my potential or 100% of my focus and attention to whatever work I do. Let's say studies. You know why I feared? Because I actually fear ego. I know that if I give 100% of my potential to any work or anything I am doing, then it would be way more better than I do it right now. So it's kind of like, with success comes ego hand in hand. So now, for a lack of better word, haters will say, अबे साले तो पता नहीं था ये वीडियो सीरीज बना के फेमस बनने की क्यों कोशिश कर रहा है. अरे यार, यही तो चीज़ समझाने की है कि इट इज़ नॉट सो. देयर इज़ अ वेरी थिन लाइन बिटवीन ईगो एंड कॉन्फिडेंस. ईगो की बात आ गई है तो लेट्स मूव ऑन टू ईगो कॉम्प्लेक्स. Ego complex is a bad thing. Yes, ego, you know what, there is a very thin line separating ego and confidence and pride. These three are different terms, even though they might sound similar to you. This thin line separating will be decoded by us only. It is given in this book, so, but of course in a different part, but I would like to share it here because integrated approach is the thing. So let's move on and figuring out how ego differs from confidence. Most of the time we get confused and we fail to decide whether that we are on a right track or is ego dominating in the guise of confidence. When ego dominates, success turns into failure. One has to be very careful about it. Now the solution part. How are we going to distinguish between ego and confidence? Here there are some points to clarify it. So we'll be discussing it in difference between format. Here we have got self-confidence, here we have got ego. A man who is self-confident, he says, I can do this work, but a lot more people can also do this work. While egoistic person will say, only I am the one in this whole world who can do this task. A man who is self-confident, he always tries to encourage people and he is always supportive and he helps others in building the confidence, while a egoistic person is always demotivating and suppressing others and discouraging everyone. You know where I lie? I used to lie somewhere in the between. I would like to share a real time thing that I faced. Every one of us, we face that, but there is a very deep thinking related to this. So come on, let's dive into this topic. बिफोर स्टार्टिंग दिस वीडियो सीरीज़ आई वॉज थिंकिंग कि अभी मैं ये वीडियो सीरीज़ बना रहा हूँ तो कंटेंट तो बहुत अच्छा था मेरे पास, बुक इज़ वेरी नाइस एंड आई वुड लाइक टू शेयर विथ एवरी वन सो दैट एवरी वन गेट्स बेटर, बट अ पार्ट ऑफ माइंड इज़ लाइक यार सब लोग बेटर हो जाएंगे, हम पीछे रह जाएंगे, या फिर ये बहुत सारी चीज़ें मैं बोलता हूँ तो फिर मैं खुद भी फॉलो नहीं करता इस चीज़ को कभी कभी, और फिर सब लोग आगे निकल जाएंगे, काइंड ऑफ अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ जेलस थिंग. हम सबको ये थॉट्स आते हैं, बट कभी भी ये थॉट्स आते हैं तो एवरी टाइम इट इज़ लाइक, चलो इसको एक दूसरा एंगल से देखते हैं, इट्स लाइक वी गेट बैड थॉट, बट as we all know that we are from good family, we are nurtured very well, and probably we got the best parenting in this world. So what we do is, whenever we get such bad thoughts, we think that अरे नहीं नहीं, हम तो ऐसे नहीं है, हमारी नर्चरिंग अच्छी हुई है, ऐसा तो हमने सीखा ही नहीं है कभी भी, हमको ऐसे थॉट्स आ ही नहीं सकते, वी आर नॉट सो सिक टू गेट सच बैड थॉट्स, and then we replace it by good thoughts. But I think this is a nice method of replacing, but in this process we bury the bad thoughts somewhere down in the heart, and in this process this goes on for years, then continues in the same way, but then we forget to clean the dumped part of the bad thoughts we got in our heart, and it eventually explodes in some way or other with this kind of very bad feeling. So I think these days what I'm trying is, I'm trying a different approach, because that approach is not that appropriate according to me. So एक चीज़ बोलता हूँ आपको कि मन जो होता है ना, इट इज़ वेरी रेस्टलेस, इट इज़ वॉट वी में से चंचल होता है बहुत, वो कहीं भी जाके कुछ भी टाइप के थॉट्स ला सकता है, वो थॉट्स लेकर भी आता है, बट हम लोग मानने को तैयार नहीं होता है कि हमारे दिमाग में ऐसे थॉट्स कैसे आ सकते हैं. तो वॉट आई एम ट्राइंग दीज डेज इज, आई लेट दीज थॉट्स कम, वो बैड है, देन आई एक्सेप्ट इट दैट बैड थॉट आया है, वो आ सकता है, मेरे दिमाग में आ गया है, अब उसको आने देते हैं. देन इंस्टेड ऑफ टेलिंग माई सेल्फ एंड सेल्फ sabotaging myself, I ask myself the question कि where did this thought come from, how and why did it arise, and I analyze the thoughts. And in this journey of analyzing, I go to the root, then pluck it step by step from there and get rid of these thoughts eventually and change my thinking pattern. थिंकिंग पैटर्न चेंज करने का सब लोग बोलते हैं कि बैड थॉट्स आया उसको फटाफट से रिप्लेस कर दो, बट रिप्लेस करना मतलब कि उसको हटा दो, बट वॉट वी डू इंस्टेड वी बरी देम. तो फिर उसको चेंज करके उसको एनालाइज करो. I know you all amazing people won't misunderstand this thing, because over analyzing a problem is not at all a solution. Instead of that, it is even a problem way more bigger than this. Over analyzing is like a vicious cycle, and it takes us to guilt, and guilt is strongly related to self pity, and self pity is the biggest indulgence in getting better. So never over analyze a problem. So these days I'm using this lockdown period very potentially, and I feel you should also use this lockdown period very potentially to see how your mind works and how you're thinking, in what direction is it going. It helps a lot in not just our mental peace, but also in other whatever work we do, it also affects there also. So I hope you try this method and let me know in the comment section below that how it works for you. So moving on, self-confident, they attract people. Even the weak people feel confident in his presence, while egoistic person, he is always cursing everyone and he creates repulsion in the mind of people. So if one point mein I have to tell you about this self-confident egoistic person difference is, self-confident person, he commands love and respect, while egoistic person, he demands and expects love and respect. Self-confident people always get success because he puts his heart and faith and confidence in others and trust them and take help from them, and he has got support of so many people. While egoistic person is always repulsive and he demands love and respect, as I told, and he gets setbacks and failures and he has got no one to support. But if you feel that you have become egoistic, then no need to worry. You can definitely switch on to self-confident and you can take it in a positive way. It's not गलती हो गई तो हो गई, अब कुछ नहीं कर सकते. We can always improve. Come, let's get back to the main topic. We were discussing the complexes and the true education. So these were few complexes which we discussed right now. These are the reasons we are not able to move forward. So it's high time we expose ourselves to good knowledge, good books, we read good books, we listen to good podcasts, and we understand ourselves using this lockdown period very efficiently. It is nice thing to know yourself. And thank you so much. You guys have been an amazing listener, and thank you for holding on so long with me in this video. Your likes, comments, and share mean more than what you think to me. So until next time, stay happy, stay healthy, stay beautiful, feel beautiful, and stay strong during sad times. See you soon.